All right, so this is not centralized lighting. As I mentioned, in this house, the first floor and the linear lighting is what was part of the centralized system. The second floor, the third floor, those rooms and areas have a couple of wireless dimmers to control a light in the room, but more than anything to extend the Zigbee signal of the system. Once again, there's different ways to approach it. One of the things that I want to point out is that not everybody does things the same way. A lot of the times depends on what stage of construction you were involved. So in our scenario for this household, since we came in a little bit late, we didn't want to redraw the entire electrical. So one of the things that we did is our actual keypads are not low voltage keypads. They are wireless, high voltage 110 keypads that are not connected to a load. Downstairs, this is on the first floor. I'm giving you all this information for a reason. The centralized stuff is on the first floor, but here on the second floor, one of the things that we're doing is we are installing, which hasn't been done yet. These are going to be wireless wireless forward phase dimmers and adaptive phase dimmers for Control 4 to extend the signal from the third floor to the second floor and then to the first floor. I wanted to bring you into this room because it's a beautiful room, and this is where we're gonna do the centralized stuff. As you can see, in the construction stages, guys, this is a home that we have a tight deadline. Some of our stuff we're actually doing a little bit early, speaker installation, some of that stuff. But let me not get ahead of myself. Today we are talking centralized. I gave you a rundown of what this this is how downstairs was supposed to look like. Now, let's go check it out. So here is another place where we installed a This is the game room. This is the room where there's gonna be a big 133-inch short throw projector display with two 55-inch televisions. In this room, you don't want to come in and start setting a bunch of different commands, so you can actually come in, hit game time, TV's gonna turn on, lights are gonna turn on, the other TVs are gonna turn on to whatever pre-selected channel you want, and with one button, you not only activated your lights, but also your video scenes. This is another example of where we can use a room off button, right? You can click room off, turn off all the lights, turn off all of your television, and then leave. Think about that.